Well, we've seen a growing interest in this category. There's a Pareto being purchased by Palo Alto. Where do you see this going? How do you see the future of security and protection in a container-based architecture?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a good question, and thank you for this. I think the fact that Pareto was bought by Palo Alto Network is just another confirmation of the fact that, the folks really understand that we need to protect the workload in a different way. We need an identity for the workload, obviously, to protect our own runtime infrastructure, and when we are talking about the network security. And speaking of which, when talking about network security, I think we see two major trends. We have seen two major trends, starting with the containers 4 to 5 years ago. And now we are hearing about Kubernetes, which is an orchestration system for the containers, again, to make everything much more faster and orchestrate the container at runtime. And last but not least, we are hearing a lot about the service mesh. Service mesh is actually the network infrastructure that binds or really connect between workload at runtime. What Portchif does essentially is generating this type of identity from the pipeline itself towards the runtime and leverages the service mesh, obviously. The service mesh itself will be something that we will hear much more about in the next few years also.
Hashtag service mesh.
Yes, that is correct. Something like this.
Okay, Ran, thank you very much. That's been very insightful.
Absolutely. Thank you, and was glad to be here.